Hello, Cheetahs. It has come to our attention that you can get a free Brainpop Junior account right now during this COVID-19. The kids love Brainpop, and we will also be using it for our extra or extension activities in the upcoming weeks. So I just wanted to show you how to get your free access. You're going to go to junior.brainpop.com, and it should pull this screen up and have a banner across the top. And right here, you're going to click Request Free Access. And then down at the bottom, it should say free family access. And then basically you're just going to fill this page out. And then at the bottom, once you submit it, you will have created your username and your password, and you should be able to log into Brainpop. Hopefully that video helps you. Again, we're going to be using Brainpop for some of those extension or extra activities, but of course your kids can watch any videos that you want them to watch on here. It's a great resource to use, and it's nice that right now it is free. If you have any questions, feel free to email your child's teacher.